Koala Krew, are you ready? Ready! Remember, every adventure starts with one brave step. Koala Krew. Come on! Come on, Koala Krew. Adventure starts today. The water's sparkling, let's dive in. Hip, hip, hooray. Swim, swim, nice and fast. Reach your arms out wide. Don't slow down, ride the ocean tides. Splash, splash, move with me, Koala Krew, across the sea. Whoa, let's all go, adventure starts. Ready, go! Jump, jump, over the waves, little jumps, be super brave. Jump, jump, 1, 2, 3. Can you jump along with me? Woohoo! Grab your board, stand up tall, bend your knees, don't you fall. Surf left, surf right, ride that wave today. Keep your balance nice and strong, surf the Koala Krew way. Whoa, what a ride! Grab your paddle nice and slow. Row, row, off we go. Row together nice and strong. Everybody sing along. Whoa! Jump into the pool. Ready? 3, 2, 1, splash! Swim underwater nice and low. Wave hello to the fish below. Look around, can you see? The fish are smiling back at me. Zoom, zoom, hold on tight. Riding our jet skis left and right. Lean this way, lean that way. Zoom across the sparkling bay. Woo! Here we go, way up high. Floating softly through the sky. Parachuting over blue. What an amazing ocean view. Now, who's ready for the giant water slide? Down we go, round and round, faster, faster, splashing down. We made it, hip hooray! Koala Krew saved the day. Now let's find a shady tree. Come and sit right here with me. Take a sip of coconut drinks, nice and slowly. Think, think, think. We've had such fun, now it's time to rest. Lay down and take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more deep breath. Nice and slow. Adventure's over, time to go. Adventure, learn, grow. Koala Krew, mission complete.